be switching numbers. Yeah, I did. Just another.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another vlog. Why did I smile like that? Anywho, so I am going out with my family. We are going to Gaucho. I think it's called Gaucho Grill. So yeah, we're just going to, eat food. Really? So I decided I'm going to take you guys along with me and eat the wide variety of meat that they have there. I'm so excited. I'm full, but I'm excited. And surprisingly, I told myself I'm trying to eat more healthy, and it doesn't help that I'm already full and then we're going to eat. Not the best solution. Anywho, so I'm here setting my hair. Oof. You know when you see it's already going to be fabulous and amazing? That's me right now. So I just put gel. Start flaking already. Anywho, I already have tons of gel on this hair, and then I've added more gel, but I don't care. We shall wash it out when it's wash day. So I am setting it. It's gonna look good. I'll show you the final look after. I don't know if I should go in with a blow dryer and just try to dry it up really quickly before we leave. I'll either do that or I will stay with this thing on as we go and then just remove it when we reach there. Maybe I'll do that. We'll see. Okay, so one of the things I really loved about this place is that huge signpost that says Gaucho Grill, because no one hates having to look for a restaurant because the signpost is really small. The other thing that made me happy was that from the entrance, guys, right from the entrance, the aroma of the meat and the food just slaps you in the face. It's like it's telling you, oh my dear, this is exactly what you are going to eat when you're here. And let's talk about the ambience, guys. It's giving nice, cozy, relax while you eat your stomach away kind of vibes. The customer care was also really good. That's something I liked too, because Bambi, restaurants with bad customer care are like the worst place to be. Clay oven for the pizza. So we finally sat down to order our meals, and guys, the meal that I ordered, the rodizio, anyway, you will see as you keep on watching. But let me give you a glimpse into what the meal is. So the meal is 70k, and it's fresh unlimited grilled cuts of rump steak, beef ribs, top sirloins, chicken, drumsticks, cod legs, fish fillet, crocodile meat, beef garlic cubes. Vyona. Just imagine a lot and a lot of meat. Unlimited until you say stop, Bambi, I'm tired, stop. Also, as you can see from the menu, the meal pricing is quite favorable too. So this is where my meal started. Started with goat's meat and then pork ribs. And guys, this meat was so tender, so soft, so yum. Just know that meat that just falls off the bone. Oh my gosh, I could go back right now to just eat. As you can see, no fork and knife in sight because there's no need for fork and knife. Guys, that meat was super. But remember, that was just goat and pork. There was more to come. Now, if you are thinking the meal was killing you yet, it comes with salads and fries too, which you have to eat. Anyway, round 3 for chicken came. That chicken was also yummy. As you can see, my plate was already full, but they were just bringing more. After that, crocodile. Guys, I was so afraid to try crocodile meat. Crocodile meat is that tiny one that's right there. So after much deliberation, I finally gave in and put it in my mouth to taste. But to my surprise, it was actually really, really yummy. It was a weird but unacquired taste.
Like what? The taste is different.
The taste is a bit different.
Like
It's sort of like a dog. It's like a mixture of beef and pork.
and then a touch of chicken.
Yeah, but it's really nice. I was scared.
So you want another one?
So after the crocodile meat, it was another round of goat's meat. And at this point, my stomach was starting to get a little bit full. But I was like, nah, we can do this. We can do this. For this one, I got out my fork and knife. It was still a little bit hot. And also, Munange, potential suitors could be watching me and they're just seeing this girl fisting with her fingers. If that was not enough, the next round was rabbit meat. I asked for a small piece because now my stomach was tired. And I'd also never tried it, so it was a plus for me. So at this point, we realized that these guys just keep on bringing more meat. So we're like, you know what, nah, no thanks, no more food, no more. So we had this dessert, which was hot pineapple with cinnamon. It was interesting. I had never had anything like it, but I would really want to have it again. I immediately went home to see if we had cinnamon because I knew we had pineapples. I wanted to go and warm my pineapple in the microwave and put some cinnamon on it because it was really nice. Clearly, by the time I was having dessert, I was done with food. I was done with meat. Next time, I'ma go back when my stomach is empty. I had a vanilla ice cream and that topped the day. I'm sorry, I just realized I forgot to end the vlog. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Comment too for the algorithm and share. Bye.
I'll be switching numbers, yeah I did. Just another caller, switch it up. They be flipping thumbs up, yeah I know. Bumping like a Roomba. Looking